Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Coming in this nice Cactus Grey coloring, this vehicle is powered by 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the convenience package. Taking a look at the back, we do have rear park sensing, that nice backup camera right there. We do have mud flaps on both rear and front wheel wells, as well as that nice blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do have that nice license plate bracket and that nice Bronco grille. This vehicle does come with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. With this vehicle, you can open up your glass like that and grab whatever's on top, which is more convenient for you, as well as you can open the back door, like that, providing you with lots of cargo space. You do have cargo space all around the back, little hooks, a nice 12-volt outlet there, your LED light. You can turn it on and off from there. And of course, lifting this up, you do have storage underneath with the spare tire. And taking a look on the interior, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice textured black and gray cloth interior. And in the middle, we have this nice vinyling, which we also have 2 cup holders as well. And we do have a USB and a USB-C right there. Plenty of door space as well, with some nice gray accents on the door. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here their seats are powered with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space as well with the gray accents. You do have your trunk opener right there and your lights right there. And taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 12 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with your toggle for your main menu, phone, voice, play forward, play back, volume, mute, cruise control right there. And looking at your main menu, we do have My View, which can go for digital speedometer, comm screen, so on and so forth, driving assist, audio, device, information about the vehicle, trip 1, My View, and so on and so forth. And we do have our gear shift right there, parking brake, and your GOAT modes. For your GOAT modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. And looking over here, you do have your 2 cup holders, a wireless charging pad with a fair bit of storage right there. We do get a USB and a USB-C and a 12-volt outlet right there. And of course, we do have a nice leather-wrapped center console with another USB and a USB-C. We do have our dual climate here with heated seats, your engine stop and start, a fair bit of storage there with your auto stop, auto start, hazards, and volume. And on your home page, you have what radio station you're currently on, compass, and phone. You do have your audio with Sirius XM capabilities, phone, any apps you do have downloaded, settings such as phone, your Wi-Fi hotspot, so on and so forth. And this vehicle is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And looking above me, we do have our functions for our garage door opener, which is pretty nice. And of course, we do get storage in the glove compartment as well. The stock number for this vehicle is RE59013. And if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.